Happy Easter! Today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter basket with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin the inner structure of our Easter basket with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to set down another 2x4 plate right on top. Then 4 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plates. These are going to be used to fix the sides to the lower portion of our Easter basket. In the top center, a set of 1x2 round plates, and along the sides a pair of upwards 1x2 by 1x2 angular plates. Then I want to lock all this together with 4 more 1x2 rounded plates. I'm using these because they have the through holes. We're going to be used to attach some anchors for our eggs. Now right here, we're going to place a 1x2 plate, rotate it around. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Set that right there. Let's slide this off to the side. Take a 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. We're going to place a 1x1 plate right on the bottom. Now I want to make 4 of these. I'm going to place these right here. Now the 1x1 plates are going to be used to fill in the gap. That's going to be on this joint right here. Plus it gives it a nice wickered basket look as well. And fill in the remaining areas with 4 1x2 flat tiles. We're going to place 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. I'm going to slide this off to the side again. Take another 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. We're going to place one of these 2/3 1x1 brick, or a squashed 1x1 brick, depends on how you want to call them. We're going to make 4 of these. We're going to take 2 of these and we're going to add a 1x1 brick with cross hoe. I'm going to start with these first. I'm going to place these along one side. And then the ones that we just did without those bricks, place those right here. Kind of wrap that around. And in these 2 areas here, set of 1x2 flat tiles to form the base of our Easter basket. Next, take a pair of hollow studs. I'm going to place these catty corner from one another, and in the outer corners, set of 1x1 plate with leaves. Now I'm using these in bright green to give it a bit more contrast. Place these as shown. Now we're going to take a stud with stick. We're going to place this right here. Now I want this one to face this way right here. And I'm going to take the other 2 sticks. We're going to have these facing outwards right here. Next, I'm going to put a spring green egg right on the center stud right there. It looks like it's growing out, but it's meant to make it look like the eggs are just randomly thrown in the basket. And before I place the other eggs in, I'm going to take a pair of 3 stud long cross axles, place these in the 1x1 bricks with cross hole. And to build up a portion of the handle, a set of half bushings. Yes, I have to sneak a little bit of technique in there. Place 2 on both of these cross axles. Sometimes they want to be a little stubborn and fly off, and no, I don't have a lot of patience with technique, but it does come in handy to strengthen up certain builds. And we're going to place the remainder of our eggs on here. So on these two studs, we're going to place a set of medium lavender eggs. So they look like they're just kind of pouring out of the basket. We're going to place a tan egg here and a white egg over here. That's what it looks like overhead. Now we're going to build the handle. So we'll slide this off to the side. Take one of these little noodle pieces with the cross hoe. I'm not sure what these are called. I think it's called a 90-degree tube. Place a 2-stud long cross axle in one end and place another one of these noodle pieces right here. Makes a nice little handle. We're going to set this right on top of our cross axles and our bushings to complete a nice little Easter basket.